guys, this is Shiny here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing my June Boxycharm, so let's go ahead and get into it. The theme of this month's box is Caribbean Queen. Now this is the original reason that I even signed up for Boxycharm, because they give full-size products and really deluxe size samples as opposed to Sephora Play, so I already know basically everything that's in here. The reason that I signed up for this box was for the Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is Kathleen Light's best friend, and she came up with her own beauty brand, and I feel like it's really awesome that even though this palette just launched like within this month, I think, or last month, that they already got into a Boxycharm. That's amazing. The pigments in here just really spoke to me. I don't have anything this colorful, and the swatches I've seen online are insane. So I do want to go ahead and swatch some of these, specifically Celia. Ooh. And Varadero. Ooh. Yeah, I mean, I don't have either of those colors in my collection that look like that. So very, very impressed with the pigmentation of that product. Definitely feel like it's leaving a little bit of a stain on my fingertips too. So that should be pretty long lasting. This next product is the Babington lashes. Now I'm not a lash girl, but I'm glad that they got something that looks fairly natural. These are actually silk lashes, so that's cool. And they're in a pretty demi-wispy looking style, so that's something that you would be able to wear and not look like a crazy person. The other product that I'm excited to try is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. It's a little body moisturizer that everyone is going nuts for at Sephora right now, but I know it's hella expensive. Okay, I get the hype. It smells really good. I'm not going to actually swatch any on my hand. You're not going to be able to see it anyways. I just know that this is supposed to be like firming, and I believe it has a little bit of shimmer in there, so people have been using this, you know, wherever they feel like they need that. Usually I hear like legs and arms. We've got some Luxie brushes. Very exciting. 3 of them. So it looks like we have a few different styles of brushes. I think they need to get washed so they don't look so strange. This one almost looks like a fluffy, like flat foundation brush. This one looks like it has a little bit of a taper to it, so that might be like a blush brush. And then this one could definitely be like a highlighter brush, or I would even use this as like an under eye setting brush. Very nice quality. This next product is a Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. I have mine in the shade Verona. A lot more moussey than I thought. It almost looked like chunky coming out of here. It was so moussey. Just a nice mauve brown color. And then the last product in here is a Jante Bleu eyeliner pencil in charcoal. So regular one, just a gray. I don't usually use eyeliners like this just because I can't get a straight line putting it on across my lash line, and this seems too firm that I wouldn't want to put it in my waterline because it might hurt, and I don't really sharpen pencils very often, but I don't have a charcoal gray in my collection, so I might try this out and see what I think. So I'm going to go back to the card now and figure out how much that the products are valued at. Our Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe palette is $28. These silk lashes are also $28. The Boom Boom Cream is an MSRP of $10 because it's not a full size. The Luxie Flawless Complexion 3-piece set is an MSRP of $42. Jante Bleu Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil. Okay, so it's waterproof. I didn't read that. It says smooth for upper lash line or waterline, which is actually what I said. This says it's a $5 MSRP. And then the Ofra liquid lipstick is a MSRP of $21. Overall, very impressed with the box. This is only my second Boxycharm ever, but I love it. I really do like the idea of getting multiple things that are full size in a box. I understand why they didn't put this full size in. I think this full size is like $50 by itself. But I'm pretty excited. This is definitely something good that would pair with the lashes because these are some bright colors. Balance out the eye look with some lashes. The brushes are amazing, and then I'm really glad that they put something neutral for the lip because I feel like you wouldn't really necessarily think to pair this with like a bright red or like a hot pink or anything. Alright guys, well that is everything for my June Boxycharm unboxing. What subscription service do you get? Are you coming over here from watching my Sephora Play videos? Do you get Ipsy? Do you get Birchbox? What do you get? Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and ring the bell. That way you'll be notified anytime that I upload. Please feel free to follow me on my other social media. I am Mrs. Shynyside on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and I am Stephanie Shynyside on Facebook and Pinterest, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye guys!